Good evening, all of you. Myself, Kauryamar Ashruba, Department of Pharmaceutical Analysis. Today, we learn about important scope type of validation. Before we starting the type of validation and important and scope of validation, let us see what is meant by validation. Validation was first proposed by two FDA officials. Scientist name is Byers and Bud Loftus in 1979. It was proposed in direct response to several problems in sterility of large volume parenteral in market. The first validation activity were focused on processes in making this product but quickly spread to associated processes including environmental control, media fill, equipment sanitization and purified water production. Let us see the definition of validation. Validation is the process of establishing documentary evidence demonstrating that a procedure, processes, activity carried out in testing and then production maintains the desired level of compliance at all stages. Let's see the important and scope of validation. Why it is important in pharmacy. Validation is an appropriate and sufficient infrastructure including organization, documentation, personnel and finances. Involvement of management, quality assurance personnels. Personnels with appropriate qualification and experience. Extensive preparation planning before validation is performed. Validation should be performed for new premises, equipment, utilization, and system and processes in periodic interval. Periodic interval means major changes will be occurs in pharmaceutical company. Validation over a period of time, example at least 3 consecutive batches to demonstrate consistency. Process and material equipment to prove consistent yield of a product of a required quality. Manufacturer to identify what validation work is needed. Next point is type of validation. There are often four main type of validation. First one is analytical method of validation, second one is equipment validation, third one is cleaning validation, fourth one is process validation. Let us see the first method, analytical method of validation. Analytical method validation must prove that the analytical method used for specific test is suitable for which is to be carried out. In this validation, we see the accuracy, precision, repeatability, specificity, linearity, detection limit, and robustness. Method should be validated when they are to be established for routine use, when the method is to be changed due to change in condition, whenever the equivalence between new method and the standard are demonstrated. Then we see the second method, equipment method or equipment validation. Equipment validation is to prove a high level documented evidence that the equipment and the process conform to a standard. It is again divided into four types. First one is installation qualification, second one is operational qualification, third one is design qualification, fourth one is perform qualification, in which we see the first installation qualification. Installation qualification, it is important for calibration, prevention, maintenance, then safety features, software documents, then equipment design features. Second one is operational qualification. It is important for software procedure, raw material specification, process operational processes, then material handling requirement. Third one is design qualification. Why design qualification is important? For good manufacturing practices and regulatory requirements, reliability and efficiency, safety and environmental impact, constructability and installation of equipment. Then third one is cleaning validation. Cleaning validation ensures that there is no cross contamination in multi product manufacturing plant, also prevent microbial contamination. Once a product is manufactured, the equipment is cleaned using appropriate cleaning SOPs established during IQ of the equipment. In these different type of contamination like cross contamination, microbial contamination, contamination by sanitization, or contaminated by other reagents. Last fourth one type is process validation. Process validation is the mean of ensuring providing documentary evidence that processes are capable of repeatedly and reliable produced a finished product of required quality. There are often different type of process validation. Four type of process validation. First one is prospective validation, second one concurrent validation, third one is retrospective validation, fourth one is process revalidation. We see the prospective validation. In the prospective validation includes setting up sample plans, designing batch record, environmental control, and defining raw material specification. Second one is concurrent validation. In the concurrent validation, we see it is a process where current production batches are used to monitor processing parameter. It gives of the present batch being studied and offer limited assurance regarding consistency of quality from batch to batch. Then third one is retrospective validation. It is conducted for a product already being marketed and is based on extensive data accumulated over several lot and over time. Then last one is process revalidation. Process revalidation is required when there is a change in any of critical processes parameters, formulation, primary packaging component, and major equipment or premises. Thank you.